Hi third grade friends, it's YouTube sensation Mrs. Barron again. And I was kind of missing my whiteboard last week when we did our spelling exercise, so I decided to pay it a visit. And this way our spelling exercise will look a little bit more familiar. This is how we do it at school, right? So you know that we're practicing words with the long O sound. So guess what? Now we're gonna spell words with the long O sound, okay? So go ahead and get your packets, open up to that spelling section, get a pencil ready. If you need to pause me, that's fine. And we'll get started. So your first word has 3 sounds in it, and the word is soap. So S-O-P. 3 sounds. Think about how to spell those sounds. If you need more time, you can pause. All right, let's take a look. Soap. Did you spell it right? I hope so, but if not, that's okay. Just draw a line through it and write it correctly above, just like we always do. All right, number 2. The word is grow. G-R-O. Think about how to write those sounds. Grow. Are you ready? Ta-da! How'd we do? If you got it wrong, that's okay. Just draw a line through it and write it correctly. And if you need time to do that, I would like to point out that notice how the O sound in the middle of the word was spelled O-A, and at the end of the word, it was spelled O-W. That won't always be true, but I think you'll find that happens a lot. So if you're ever not really sure which long O spelling pattern to use, think about what you usually see at what part of the word. That might help. Okay, so word number 3. Are you ready? It is window. Window. I didn't give you the dots this time, so you think about how many sounds are in window and make sure you're writing down the letters for each sound. Window. Are you ready? Ta-da! Did you spell it correctly? If so, that's great. If not, draw a line through it and write it correctly above. Window. Okay, let's look at number 4. All right, number 4, I will give you a hint. It is a compound word, and it's using a spelling pattern for a long O and a spelling pattern for a long E, like we talked about last week. So, are you ready? This wonderful word is oatmeal. Write the word oatmeal. Oatmeal. Think about all the sounds that are in that word. Oat-meal. It is a compound word, but it's still just one word, so no spaces. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Oatmeal. If you got it, that's awesome. If not, draw a line through it and write it correctly. And now let's take a look at part 5, which is our sentence. The sentence is, there is soap in the bowl. There is soap in the bowl. There is soap in the bowl. Make sure it starts with a capital letter and ends with a period. And just a little extra hint, I'm pretty sure all those other letters should be lowercase. All right, if you need more time, you can pause the video. Otherwise, I'm gonna show you. Ready? There is soap in the, pardon me, I'm a one camera woman show. There is soap in the bowl. If you made any mistakes, just draw a line through it and write it correctly.